Realbot Engineering is the first robotic company enabling you to move through real estate live without actually being there. Hi, I'm Alexandros Tiropoulis, and I'm one of the co-founders of Realbot Engineering. Real estate viewings, as everyone knows, is a huge hassle. It's a physical back and forth, going there, looking at it, trying to find the right apartment, but this takes a lot of time which we don't have. So therefore, we have invented the first live viewing robot, which makes it possible to connect from anywhere in the world, anytime, and connect with our robots, which are placed in the apartment. And what we can offer with Sam, that's the name of our viewing robot, is that you can really have an authentic and honest view, look at everything you want exactly the way you want it, at any daytime, repeatedly if you want to. In a year from now, I imagine Realbot Engineering to not only be in Switzerland, but to be active internationally, especially on markets which have a lot of expats, a lot of commuting, so where real estate viewings are a real hassle.